Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you will read. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man. Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. The evil men do.
You're asking for ordinary pepper soup. My brother,
no peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man. Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that.
my own girlfriend.
The fair one with a tuna and I came from Dubai.
With who?
Ogoro, they are eating and drinking in the shop.
Are they still there now?
No, don't come. She will not be one that I don't want trouble. I don't have phone. Don't come.
Okay, no problem.
Just ask her where she went to. She will tell you.
Okay, no problem.
Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read.
Instead of that's my left leg.
Watch you so that you will read. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you will read. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man. Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read.
Yes, it's fine.
The evil that men do lies with them. Watch you so that you will read. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man. Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. Watch you so that you will read. Oh When pain and sorrow
Instead of this mosquito to bite you, let that mosquito kill me.
everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you will.
Instead of your meat to fall, let my one to win.
No peace for the evil man. Watch you so that you will.
Touch my back.
Watch you so that you will. Watch you so that you will read. Watch you so that you will read. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man. Watch you so that you will read. Watch you so that you will read. Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset.
Who was that man?
Baby, you scared me.
Hey, no. Don't baby me. Don't just baby me. Who was that man?
Which man?
Don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Who was that man? You went to enjoy yourself, okay? Huh?
Baby, you're so funny. Are you serious? Is it Okoro?
See, I'm not joking, I'm not here for jokes.
Oh, baby, it's just my house help. You know, my dad sent him for me. You know, I just wanted to give him some treats. And I'm just trying to be a nice person. So I just wanted to give him a treat. That's just all.
House help?
Yeah, I just wanted to give him a treat. That's just it. And my dad even sent me money for him. Just to treat. Give him a treat. Just
so where is the money?
Call me your account number.
No. Your phone, so that you know all these things that I used to do. Yeah, I don't. Why will you? But you know.
Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. When pain.
Yes, my brother, I'm very tired. When I say I'm tired. Countless times I've given him money to start up a business for himself. But it ends up squandering this money. Then the worst thing is, after squandering this money, he goes to people's farm working for them as a laborer, my own brother.
Well, you said this before. This is not the first time I'm hearing it. That means you are really worried about the situation. But the fact here is that for how long are you going to suffer for your family? For how long? Paying for your sister's school fees, giving her upkeep. Now your brother too, who is very strong than a man. Eh? You can't kill yourself because of them.
As it stands now, I am confused. I'm totally confused because this guy don't want to be useful to himself.
Well, I can suggest take him away from you. Take him very far away from you, where he will not see you again to demand for money. Oh yes. If he stays closer, that's a problem to you. He's a full-grown man. Send him abroad.
Look, the Okoro we are talking about is an illiterate, and there's no way we can cope abroad.
Here you go wrong. This is not all about being illiterate. No, they don't speak English in most countries. He's going there to hustle. Take him to China. Yeah, if you say US, Canada, no, that one is different. It might be difficult for him. Take him to China. An average Igbo man, if he goes to China, he will make money. Send him.
I think you have a point.
Oh yes.
And that's what I would do. But the Okoro I know is good at squandering money. This guy will still go to China and squander money.
China is very far. The distance is very far. If he remembers that if he doesn't have money, how can he? Okay, are you going to be sending money from here to China? No. Allow him to make money there. He can't be squandering his own money that he's making. And if it's that's okay, let him squander his money. And let him make the money there and then spend it. The most important thing is that he's no more closer to you. All the time demanding for money from you. And let him go. Settle him. No, that's you to work. Just
good and fine. In fact, I have to call my lawyer later in the day to start processing paper for him to travel to China.
Do that.
Yeah, no problem.
To help.
Drink up. Thank you for the suggestion.
You understand?
What you saw that you
I can't just comprehend why everything is turning upside down.
Sweetheart, I think it's due to his poor status. Yes. If you can change your brother's status, I know everything will be fine.
But I've tried. I've done that. I've given him money, countless time. But he spent them on useless things.
I know.
Now he has returned to people's farm, working for them, my own brother. Can you imagine that?
Then why don't you fulfill his traveling dreams? I think if you can do that, everybody will have peace.
I think you have a point there.
What you saw that you
Okay, sir. You know, Qatar is not too good for an illiterate.
Sorry, no insults intended anyways. So, China being our only substitute, I was able to bring all the documents he'll be needing for his trip.
It's quite impressive.
Okay, sir, thank you very much. And you know, I've been able to get the passports, and for the visa he will need to go for his interview at the embassy, Chinese embassy precisely anyways.
Yeah, so but hope the interview will not disrupt anything.
Not really, because everything that will disrupt the movement, I think I've actually put this aside, so it's a nice one.
Okoro, my brother, will be surprised on seeing this.
He will sure be surprised, sir. Yeah. Okay, you over the phone you told me about the new property you acquired. Can we talk about it?
Yeah, so about
what you saw that you weary. Oh yeah.
You're a fine woman, no? Who says I'm not fine? It's just that Okoro does not have money.
Hola.
Brother.
How are you?
Fine. How is Auntie Kechi and Cynthia?
They are all fine. How about my brother Okoro?
He went out with his friend Izu.
Yeah, okay. My wife!
Who is your wife? Auntie Oma. He was on. How shut up your mouth before I slap you? Look at this crayfish. Okporoko. When I'm talking, you're talking. As for you, my God will destroy every occultic power you've used to blindfold my husband. Auntie Oma!
Why will you talk to me? What will you do? In fact, I'm leaving here.
But I don't leave. I'm sure that Bodokoro will not be in support of this nonsense. Hey! That one?
You are right. But let me just go to my house, okay?
What you saw that you weary. come true. Everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you will reap. No peace for the
How are you? My friend, how are you? I miss you. Sorry. My friend is you. My friend has. You're looking beautiful. Thank you. Thank God you're back, oh my sister. At least your brother and his useless wife. We know that you're my guinea. I'm your pillar now. Chegodi, Nkechi and Uche, are they back? Oh, you don't know. My sister. Nkechi has succeeded in turning your brother's eyes from my husband. No wonder she's looking all beautiful and elegant. And my brother will not take me serious. You see, we have to cut her wings and make her understand better. Don't worry yourself. I am here. I am here to handle her perfectly. You know what I can do? I trust you. Has it been long they came back from the city? From what I heard it was Nkechi that suggested they come to the village for vacation. To show off now, to carry shoulder high for me. Nonsense. She suggested they come from the city to the village to come and do what? If I catch that lady, if I catch her, I will twist her. Twisting? Me, I will beat her. I can use her, we'll use her kudo and hit.
In the name of Jesus, I commit Oloma's family into your hands. Every evil plot against them, Father, I destroy them. I cancel them. I set them into the pit of air. Father, in the name of Jesus, anywhere this attack is coming from, I destroy them. It will not happen. Anywhere this is coming from, Father, in the name of Jesus, it will not happen. It will not happen. It will not happen. It shall not stand. The plot of the enemy shall not stand in that family. With the blood of Jesus, Father, I stop them. I stop them with your blood.
Watch you so that you will reap. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you
have you paid for your jam?
No, but the chorus
Which one left? No. Hey, my brother, you are looking good, my sister.
Thank you.
She said she have not paid for a jam lesson.
My brother, you are just coming. Let us discuss man to man. Go.
Okay.
Oloma, sweep this place.
No, this is why I came, so I have to.
Wait. Let me go and get you a chair.
Yourself.
So you will not. Take this fine clothes.
It's like you have forgotten that from this village. Okay, get the chair waiting.
Daddy, you said I was coming to the village just for my holiday. And I've been here for almost 1 month. My holidays are over already.
Don't worry. That's why we are here. We came here to take you home. And also like stay a few days before leaving. So
better. Because I don't like Aunt Oma's attitude towards me.
Auntie Oma?
Okay. What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah. What?
Uloma, the beast almost killed you. You don't have to be afraid. I really prayed for you.
Amen. But Chika, honestly, a lot has been happening these days, and with this dream now, it's getting me more scared.
I know. You don't have to be afraid. I believe in God, and I know God will do it for us.
Amen. Thank you very much.
So, what are you reading?
I'm preparing for my exams.
I see. Don't worry. I know you will come out with flying colors.
Thank you very much.
What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah.
Take that rubbish from anybody. I want to take that rubbish. What is it? What is it?
Calm down.
What is it?
Isn't it? How are you?
I'm fine. This one you are jumping up and down. Don't worry. Don't bother yourself. I will help you take care of that woman. For making you behave like this, don't worry yourself. I am here. Your sister is here.
Wait. Hope you are not referring to my wife.
Who else will be making you jump up and down like this?
She wants to slap you. Are you mad?
Look, Ezinne, I want you out of this place. You don't have a place in this house. Go and get married.
This is my father's house.
Your father served my food.
What you sow that you will reap.
Ezinne, my sister, I heard you talking to someone. It's my brother. He is suffering and smiling. I even offered to help him. But it seems that his wife has covered his face with witchcraft. Oh, you don't know. So you don't know that Nkechi is a witch? Nkechi is the highest witch we have in this village. Oh, she has finally finished my brother. But not to worry, I am here to help. I will correct everything. You know what I can do now? Thank God someone can see things from my own point of view. If it was to be Oma, they'll say, Oma, you're a troublesome woman. Oma, you are this, you are that. My sister, let me tell you. Do you know that Nkechi was the one that killed her parents? Hey, no. She killed them with her witchcraft. Tell me something. Let me even tell you. You see my brother, that's her witchcraft will not work. My sister will tell you more. Come at
What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah.
Hey, my brother, Okoro.
You don't know how happy I am right now.
Uchenna, you never seem to amaze me. Is it because of this food? Look, my wife Oma used to be a good cook whenever she's in a good mood. Yes. Okay?
If I tell you how delicious this meal is, you will not believe it. Just hold on. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Be fast, though. Be fast, though. Uchenna, come back quick, oh. Before I finish the meat.
What is this? Prepare for interview. China influence. Just go to China and make the family proud.
Hey! China!
What is it?
Uloma, I am going to China.
Oh my God.
Naga China. Hey! Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
Uchi, thank you.
Tomo dogu na China.
Dogu na China.
Tomo dogu na China.
Dogu na China.
Hey!
That's enough. That's enough. I'll be going to Mazi this house now, huh?
Really? PJ, come on. Chai! Chai! Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you.
But I go where?
Okay.
Hey! China! China! Tomo dogu na China.
Oh, Dogu na China.
Tomo kona Beijing. Hey!
What you so that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you so that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. What you sow that you will reap. No peace for the wicked. No peace for the evil man. What you sow that you will reap.
Tika, go and call his family. Go and call his family.
What you sow that you will reap.
No! Abuche! Tell my brother, don't take out my family. I will.
What you sow that you reap. No peace for the wicked.
So Nkechi finally allowed her husband to reason like a human being.
Auntie Oma, Auntie Nkechi is a good person.
China must obey me. China may obey Okoro. Hey! You see China, by Japan, Tokyo Wadai. Say Bawa, Wada, Atabashoko. Not only that, when I am coming back, my arrival, gunshots everywhere, gun salute, with 20 cars. 20 cars. Then I will start doing parties. Every day, everywhere, even the president of the nation will say, who is Okoro? Okoro na China.
Brother, is that all?
No. But I will even act like King Solomon with many conquer.
Conquer Guinea? Eh? No, say it again.
Conquering territory. What is it?
Your brother is dying.
What? When? Where? How?
He's parked along Umoji River.
Umoji River?
Yes.
Hey, Odogwana! Hey, which one now? Okoro, who will take you to China? Hey, Odogwana! Uchena, bibe.
Okoro, is it not better you call Nkechi and give her the news?
Hello? My friend, will you come back to the village? Your husband is dead. That it is the same umbilical cord that connects the toad and the frog to their progenitors. And whatever is good for the frog is also good for the toad. Nkechi, you have to give me the details of my brother's properties. All, both home and abroad. So I could know how to move this family forward.
Sorry, Mr. Okoro. My husband, your brother, wrote his will.
What foolish will are you talking about?
I wonder, oh my sister.
Like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. Look, when an elder like me speak with much emphasis, it is not the sweetness of words from my mouth. It is that I say things you cannot see. My brother Uchenna is a strong man, but I'm still to uncover the mystery behind his sudden death. Uchenna, he is a strong man, and I'm sure he will fight back.
Definitely. He will fight.
Brother Uchi, where are you? Where are you?
All I am saying is peace. All I am preaching is also peace. But, Nkechi, you have to give me a detail of my brother's properties to take a review. And that is final.
Yeah, but uncle, how can
I? Who is your uncle? How am I sure that my brother Uchenna is responsible for your pregnancy?
I wonder, Nkechi Waka Waka. We know you now. Pyong pyong pyong. Isn't it?
Oh yeah, what you saw that you will reap.
Uche's death is still a mystery. So he just got back, gave money to Okoro for his passport, and he just died when he was trying to drive out. Just like that. Leaving Nkechi all alone, without any sign of remorse.
So you still have the guts to talk about another man's wife? Hmm?
It's not like that. I'm just feeling for the poor widow.
Oh, so you cannot feel pity for me, Abi? You cannot feel for me? Eh?
Every day of my life, I pity you. But why would I be feeling for you every day? Is your husband not here?
Where is he? Please, show me. Where is he?
John, you're looking for me. I'm here.
You. So if they call all husbands to come out, you carry yourself and come out, Abi? You.
Why would I come out? I'm not shy. Why would I?
Will you shut up your mouth? I shut it up for you. Stay here.
Now who be that? I said now who be that when they knock this gate in here? You keep pressing for here. Yes? Okay, why you force yourself to enter inside this place now? Show when you look this gate, it resembles the one we do in our community this place.
This is my brother's house. And it is my house.
Your brother's house. So they're not telling you that me be your guy for this house. And I beg come they come out for this place. Nobody did this house. Come they go.
Do you think I am a coward? A weakling like my friend Izu that couldn't summon the courage to come here?
You don't speak English, oh. I said, my friend, will you leave this place? Okay, you want to consist now.
Now you? I don't know. Make we dey go. Sorry, no vex, okay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make we dey go, eh? Nobody. Okay, make you sit down here. This shit. Okay, wait till I bring something. Come. Sit down here. You stay well. Oh, make I no. The guy don't lick the chair.
Just stop it.
Okay. Why? I don't know why madam they take long like this. So, madam will not come now, but don't go inside.
Look, let's take care of it.
Okay, Oga.
This your behavior. I will retain you as the gate man of this.
You're correct, sir. I retain my position.
I take over these properties.
Now your own, my brother own, now your own.
You know my brother does not have a maid child.
Right, that's one that you very, very correct for that.
Oh, yeah. What are you removing? You're not behind. You need to have white hairs. Okay. You're getting old. But I'm a fine woman. Who doesn't know that? Appreciate my beauty. Atioma. What have I done again? What have you not done? What have you not done? Joy killer. That is what you are. Eh? Why are you not happy that Uncle Koro is trying to collect everything that belongs to Uncle Che from that his devilish, foolish wife? Hajuju has caught up with you.
Sister Zine, you have to reconsider your stand in this issue. Auntie Nkechi is a nice person and she should be left alone.
Hey! You should leave the old woman alone. Hey! Zine, I'm out of here. Before this girl will make me to beat her up merciless, not allow this one get you angry. This small thing.
Hi. I don't even know why you don't like her. After all, she's your fellow woman, and someday you.
Hey, someday, Guinea. Hey, my husband will not die, yo. My husband will live like Methuselah.
Oh yeah.
Where is this man? Where is this man?
Watch you so that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true.
The love of my life.
Everything.
The one and only.
Who's your love?
Baby boo. My sweetheart.
Where are you coming from?
The only one that means everything to me. Baby Kewe.
You still haven't answered my question. Where are you coming from?
Alright, fine. I'll tell you. I followed Okoro to the city. Yes, we had to look for a way to chase Nkechi out of that house. You know, she did not give the uncle a male child, and she was just there for me Galadima. So I went to give Okoro moral support.
Are you done blabbing?
I wasn't blabbing. I was explaining to you what happened. Yes.
Anyway, that's not the reason I'm here.
Tell me, baby, anything for you, baby. I know it's house chores and it's ice.
No, now.
I know.
Come inside.
No, now. Do again.
Let's do now.
Hi.
I've been waiting for you. Can't you see?
No, now. I did something before I left. I was going to this. I was going weak. Now I'm back. Instead of you to ask me if I've eaten.
There's food.
No,
I
now.
cooked for you
something can kill me.
First time I'm cooking for you, Izu.
But at least let me eat and rest first before you talk about you.
So you want to spoil this?
See, don't go and misunderstand because the way I was just bouncing. I'm not even feeling fine. I did not mean to walk like that. I don't have strength.
Don't worry, you enjoy it. Come.
Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will reap.
Can't you greet?
You're welcome. Hope you.
I said shut up. I said just greet, not asking me questions. Where is my wife?
Hey, Mama. Hey,
My investment.
No.
Yeah.
So how was your day?
Not so fine, no. Do you know that foolish woman in Nkechi, she's just so stupid.
I hope you threw her out of that house.
My wife, I did not. Because Izu advised me to give her a few more days so she can back out.
Few more days?
Yes.
Few more days? Okay, if you're sure that it's few more days, it's so bad.
Yes.
She needs to leave that house.
No, she must leave. We must possess our possession.
I need to take over that house after I have a boy. Did I even say a boy? I have a man. What does she have? Girls everywhere. One. So she doesn't have business with this house. I have a boy who will take over all this stuff, you know. The weather is too hot.
Did you prepare anything?
What took you so long to open this gate for?
Okay, I mean, they do something for the kitchen, so that you know the belly need them this period.
Where is madam?
Madam no come out. Madam no come out.
What about the kids?
Those one don't go school now. Those one don't go school. Man, okay, the way madam they come out for this house every day, I don't understand. If she come out, na. She don't come carry some kind things. She don't come out again. You know that kind. I don't understand them again.
Oh, it's okay. Take this. Give it to her. I tell her she has 9 days to vacate this house. She should live also with her children. But if those girls does not have where to go, she should bring them back to the village. So that I will give their hand out in marriage. That's tradition demands.
Okay.
So that
that will not be a problem now, okay? I could deliver this message. In fact, it's delivered. So you know, go come inside, okay? Okay, I need it for you. I need it. I believe you now, but okay. You want to go now? Hurry on, okay? Don't correct. Hey! Mother, welcome.
Thank you.
Hi. Welcome.
How are you?
Welcome, mother. One man say make I give you this letter.
Oh, I wanted to tell you to make sure you do something about it.
Okay, I go tell the boys to fix them tomorrow.
And did he say his name?
Madam, now one man we come that time they call Okoro. He say name na Imbi Oga brother. Okoro na.
That's my late husband's brother.
I bring the letter.
Okay.
Madam, this on your face don't change, so I hope
no problem. You may go now.
Yeah, okay.
Hello, barrister. Good afternoon. How are you doing today? Please, barrister, I really need your help. I don't understand what is going on. I need you to please come and read my late husband's will. I don't get it. I came back home to see a letter my late husband's brother dropped in my house, asking me to vacate the house. I don't understand. Please, I know it's not professional, but I beg you, if it means you driving down to the village, please, so that you read the will to everybody's hearing. Thank you very much. No problem, no problem. It's all right. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
Arrange it here. Huh? Build a skyscraper here. Then, Eba, here will be my car park. Rolls Royce Phantom. Oma, my wife. Yes, Oma needs another car. If you go to 3. Let's use 350. Okoro. What's the meaning of this one? You're not ready for work. Izu? Are you referring to me?
Of course I am referring to you. Huh? Listen, for your information, I've collected money from Mazi Ebubel. And I told him, I gave him that assurance I will finish the work today. So I don't know what you are doing.
Izu, you are a fool. Izu, now you are a big fool.
I'm a big fool. Listen, I understand. You don't know how to go home and change. You know we have lots of clothes in the farm you can change to. So what is the problem? How am I a fool?
Izu, please accord me some respect. How would a pending millionaire like me, Okoro, dress up, carry my cutlass, and go to work in one lousy man's farm? Orubo, millionaire Dikeh.
Now, my man, I like you because you know yourself and you tell yourself the truth. You are a pending. It means you are not even a millionaire yet. Eh? Who even told you that you become a millionaire? Do you have the original document backing those properties in your possession? I'm asking you.
Izu, why are you talking like this? As if you don't know what is on ground.
What is on ground?
I am in charge and her 9 days ultimatum will soon be over.
Yes. And your life will soon be over because 9 days is too much for her to finish you. Before that 9 days, she will just sell those property and vomit with the money. Look at you. 9 days. A child that they give birth today, 9 days time, the child is already seen, he's looking with his both eyes. 9 days is too much to lose guard.
Isu, you're right. Nkechi. So, what do we do?
Now you're talking.
You so that you will read. Oh yeah, yeah. Watch you so that you will read. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you will.
My husband, you've been like this since. What is the problem?
I need to pay Nkechi an urgent visit. I am having this feeling that she will sell my brother's properties and disappear.
Do you know I've been thinking towards that direction? Then you have to act fast. Secondly, I don't like the way you carry Izu along into this evening.
Izu is my friend and he is like a brother to me. That is not even the problem. I must be Nkechi and Oji.
I never knew my brother-in-law can be.
It baffles me. As in, how can a young man like that be so lazy to hustle for himself? Depending on his late brother's wealth.
My dear, the pressure is just so much on me. My main concern right now is my daughters. You know how village people talk.
Don't even think about taking those girls home. For their own good, please, don't just think about it. Don't even think. Don't think about it, please. Are you asking me?
And again, the sum of 1 million naira goes to my sister, isn't it? And the sum of 5 million naira goes to my sister, Oloma, for her education. And to my brother, Mr. Okoro, I will the amount of 10 million naira and a house in Ondo, Isolo. And to my lovely wife, I leave the rest of my properties to take care of herself and our daughters. And this is the will of late Mr. Uchenna Madubogo. God bless the dead.
Nonsense! You are saying rubbish! How can my brother give me 1 million naira and give this one 5 million naira? It's not possible.
Isn't it? It's okay. It's okay. I will address the issue.
But I smell conspiracy. It's not possible.
Barrister, I must thank you for this will. I must thank you for bringing this will to life. And secondly, I must thank you for being around this family in this trying time.
You're welcome.
In my capacity as the head of Madubogo's family, I accept this will.
Hey! Why are you not saying this?
Yes, sir.
But I'm go first. They gave me 1 million naira. I'm older than Uloma, you know now. And she's having 5 million.
It's okay.
You don't understand.
I will look into the matter. Barrister, my late brother Uchenna was a man of peace. And I am also a man of peace. What I preach is peace. And the paramount thing for this family is peace. To move this family to the next level. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bodokoro. I know you will address this issue maturely.
Thank you very much, my husband. I really appreciate the way you handle the situation. And to you, my barrister, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I know I can always count on you.
Sure.
God bless you.
I really do appreciate everyone for handling this amicably. If for nothing for Mr. Uchenna, late, at least he was an honorable man. If for nothing for believing in me, for picking me as his lawyer no matter my age. So I would really love us to continue the way we are.
Sure.
Thank you very much. I think I should be leaving.
Oh, you know me now. I have to pray before leaving.
God is at work with my sister.
Gloria, why this sad countenance? What is the matter?
It's okay. Nothing. Never mind.
Gloria, you are my friend. And you should be able to confide in me. Tell me, what is it?
I'm having issues with my shop rent. And nobody is even willing to give me a loan.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all.
Okay, how much are we talking about here?
About 100k. I promise you, I'll pay you back. I promise.
Okay, Send me your account details. I'll forward the money to you.
Just like that. Are you serious? You are just send me the account details. God bless you. Thank you so much. What is wrong with you? My friends. Let me say thank all our friends for doing thank you very much. It's alright. So come on, please.
So that you will read. Oh yeah.
Nkechi. The ear that refused to adhere to potent advice when the head is cut off, the ear joins. It is the fly that refused to perceive the smell of the corpse that follows the dead body to the grave. Nkechi, 2 rams cannot drink from the same bowl as the Wulok oil, but 2 firewoods can be lit up in the same flame, giving different flames. Nkechi, a child that does not understand the importance of herbs calls it mere vegetable. But a river does not flow through the forest without breaking down trees. A river can swallow anything, but it can never swallow a fish. I am the black firewood that catches in the ocean. I am Okoro. Nkechi! Nkechi, even in the forest where the lion is defeated, his subordinates should be treated. How dare you chase the lion from his mouth? For kola nut lasts longer in the mouth of those who value it. The taste of the pudding is in the eating. He who beats a drum for a mad woman should be ready to be afar to get the rhythm. Nkechi! I warned you, but your ears were too small. As I speak, my brother's properties, both home and abroad, shall be too hot for you to stay. You shall run. You shall run. It shall be so hot. I will bear you. Nkechi! 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 Nkechi!
Madam, now you, where is your car now?
See them there!
be that?
See them there!
Now let me get this compound since you.
I don't see you! I don't see you! I don't
Hey! Madam, what did happen now? You just enter here, they perform.
What happened?
I don't know. In the house now. Madam.
See them!
Go where?
See mad woman!
Mad
See
woman?
mad man! You can be mad though!
Madam! What? I don't know about it now, madam. Hey!
No, I see you! I am coming for you! I am coming for you!
Oh!
I am coming for you! I'm coming! I need them! I need
You're coming. Madam! Mad.
My dear, it was strange. I couldn't even explain it myself. It started from my car. I was driving on the highway as if something strange possessed me. I walked out of the car. It stopped. I went back to the car again. Another one.
It's not normal.
Gloria, that was not just it. I went into my own compound, into my house. That same thing possessed me again. I walked out of my gate. I was okay. I don't Gloria, I don't understand. I don't just understand it.
It's not normal.
Then, as I'm talking to you, I did not drive to this place. How did you see my car? I didn't drive.
It's serious.
It is very serious.
So what do you think is like? I don't understand.
I don't understand. I think I should call my barrister and tell him what is going on.
That's not a bad idea. Call him. Let's hear what's going to say about this. Nkechi, what's happening?
See you there!
Nkechi, are you okay?
See mad woman! See them here!
Nkechi, what is
See them here! See them!
Nkechi, calm down. Whoa! Nkechi, reflex. Go! Be going, please, go! I said it. Nkechi's husband's money is not pure. I beg, I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. So, I cover myself with the blood of Jesus.
Is this our party business? Please. This bullshit never said this before. What? Alert! Two.
Hey! My husband, I don't know what is going on. I don't even know what is wrong with me. Whenever I enter our house in the city, as if something will chase me out of the house.
Okay.
Whenever I enter the... Hey!
What is happening?
I want to wear shoes.
What is happening?
I want to wear my tree. I want to wear my tree. I want to wear my tree. I want to wear my tree.
What is all this? My friend, leave my compound. Don't display this nonsense here.
You're a madman. What? You're a madman.
Me?
You! Madman!
Nkechi, I warned you. The ear that refuses to listen to potent advice, when the head is cut off, the ear joins. I want to grab my brother's property.
All man would like to.
You remember Uchenna? The one that died the day he was convulsing.
Okoro's brother?
Yes, so the wife was the pain that killed her husband.
How did you know?
It's obvious. She is mad. Her evil deed has caught up with her.
That's far from the truth. Me, I'm fetching my water.
Watch you so that you will live. Oh yeah, yeah. Watch you so
Izu! Izuna! Izu! Come. So you want me to scream before you come after me?
What's it? God.
What are you doing?
I'm just relaxing, not to go out.
As if anything good can ever come out from you. Is it true?
What is it true? What true?
I heard that it was Nkechi that killed her husband to inherit his wealth, and as a result of that, she ran mad. Is it true?
What my business? After all, that woman is very dangerous. If you like, I'm going to run mad. It's not my problem. Me, I'm here now. I'm even waiting for her to die so that Okoro can just give me my share. That's
Hey! Instead of you to think of how to get money, you are here. Eh? You are here thinking of another man's property.
It's enough for the share. I'll take care of it.
With another man's money. Yes. Just go. Just get out. She said you were going somewhere. Just go.
But I need to rest because the doing. You cannot go die.
Lazy man. Don't rest. Keep on resting. Don't think of how you will take care of me in this house.
Watch you so that you will live. Oh yeah. Watch you so
Daughter of a witch! Daughter of a witch! Daughter of a witch! Make sure you wash all these clothes. And when you finish, you fill the drum to the brim. You know go? Then when you finish that one, you go to the market and cook a sweet food for me. Oh. It has to be sweet. You know go?
Eh? Today? Oh, Auntie, how do you expect me to do all that today? It's too much.
Hey! Daughter of a mad woman! Eh? So your mad mother did not teach you how to do little chores. When I was your age, I was even doing more than that. This one is just a little something. Make sure you finish all these things, though. Did you hear me? Make sure you finish it before I come back.
Watch you so that you will read.
Today?
Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you will read. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man.
Yes, what is good about the afternoon?
Uncle, I want to speak with you.
Speak fast, I'm listening.
Uncle, please. I really want to go to school, but I can't now. Please, I beg you. Help me send my younger sister to school. Please.
I wish I could help. But what do you want me to do when you fully aware that I don't have any money?
But Uncle, you...
But what? Will you get out of here, you daughter of a cursed woman? Go to the other side. I said go there! I said move out from here! Look at it. I should help her for money. Did your father help me when I was in this village suffering?
Watch you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will read.
I will burn all this clothes. Let me see how she will come and wear fine clothes in this house again. You want to come and be doing fine girl for me? You will wear all the fine clothes. Where I will be wearing rag? Now this house, it is not possible. What? Born. Oji, yeah.
Auntie.
Hey! Come on!
You're burning my clothes! You're burning my clothes!
Sure, leave that place. You want to burn your leg? Ngbano, Bata, enter.
Auntie, this is not fair. This is not fair. These are my clothes. Auntie, this is not fair.
Look at this girl. You don't even have respect for your senior. Let me see how you wear fine clothes again in this house. You want to wear fine clothes to be shaking your bum up here?
Achoma, what's the meaning of this now?
Hey, Onye Ukwo Broka.
Oh my God, these are my clothes. Look how she's getting to my clothes. This is not fair. This thing is not fair now. What's this now?
Onye Ukwo Broka. Come on. Are you still standing? Why you wait for me? You want to wait for me? You want to see what I can do up here? No, come now. Stupid girl, you want to be shaking your bum up here? Come and wear fine clothes. You're forming fine girl for me up here? Okay now. I will see what you will wear.
That's it.
Why is Aunt Mama this wicked? Why is she heartless? Okay, imagine. She just burnt my clothes. If my dad was still alive, all this won't be happening.
Cynthia, I know. Please stop it. You're making me cry. Please. Okay, I know that wherever your father is right now, he's working. Please stop it.
Auntie, please stop crying. Everything's going to be alright.
Tuesday.
Yes.
Watch you so that you will
Edu Brazil. Importer, exporter. CEO Edu Enterprises. One make available. Your brother no fena. I am on top of money. Money speaks, money understands. Get back our business now. Money talks, money understand. Huh? Everything fine. Okay, yeah. Can buy a chicken. Let me call you back. Eh? What is it?
Brother, see, I don't like the way you and your wife is maltreating Cynthia.
Uloma, have you gone nuts?
See, and besides, I have not received my own share of the 5 million naira according to the will.
Do I look like that humble lawyer?
But it's you I know. It's you I know. I don't know anything about the lawyer, so you better do something.
Oh, can you get alert? Can you get alert now? Huh? I should give you alert. Huh? I should give you alert. I'll take the beating of your life. 5 million naira. 5 million. What is she going to do with 5 million naira? Imano sisa na pa mologo, imawaya na pa ikiri, imano sisa na pa mologo, imakwaye na pa ikiri o. Barrister Kevin. Barrister Kevin. Barrister Kevin. The private part of an old man is not a plenty to a small child. The virginity of an old woman is not paramount to productivity. The bird knew of his ugliness and decided to fly by night. Even in the forest where the lion is defeated, his subordination treated with respect. But the snake that strikes at the back of a tortoise is only sharper in instinct. No matter the magnitude of love a hunter might have for his female dog, he can never take it in as a second wife. Barrister Kevin, from today, you shall be my pet. Whatever I say, that is what you will do. Whatever I command, that is what you will do. Barrister Kevin. Barrister Kevin. Barrister Kevin.
Thank you very much for retaining me as your family legal counsel.
Barrister, I must thank you for your efforts, for leaving your comfort zone to come to this village. I so much appreciate that. As a man of peace, there is a way I appreciate loyal people like you, because I know your loyalty is not in doubt, except you choose to do otherwise.
No, come on. I pledge my loyalty. I wouldn't change. And ma'am, thank you very much.
Barrister, this one you're about to leave, and the food is almost ready. The meal will be so delicious.
At this point, I have to tender apologies. I have a very important meeting to meet up with.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you very much, sir. I should be on my way. Thank you very much, sir.
Safe journey.
Thank you.
Safe journey. Oma, where were you looking at that young man like that, smiling like a Christmas goat?
Ha! Don't you know my husband? Money is coming.
Don't try that next time.
Ha! Okay, no problem. What to do?
You are not loyal now?
Yes, sir.
Because there is money.
Yes, my husband.
What you so that you will.
Hey, yeah. Where are you going to?
I'm going to see my friend.
You want to go and see a man or where? Hey!
Antioma!
Antioma, Dawasia Gono. Look at this girl. Look at you. Nonsense. Now, get into that house. You make sure you go to the market and cook sweet food for me. Then you fetch water. And then you run to that, my friend.
Antioma! Come on. But I'm tired and hungry now.
Hey! Alika, you're tired and hungry like this. Where would the food enter now? Nowhere. Because you're dry like a dry fish. Nonsense. This is what you get for supporting Uche instead of supporting my husband. Nonsense.
Is that what the message is all about?
My friend, go and do what I asked you to do. If not, I will beat you. Go and do it. No, that your brother Uche will not even save you again. Come on, go. Come on, be fast. Look at that dry fish.
What you so that you will. Oh yeah.
Hey,
Ma!
Who took money, sir?
Mama, which money?
Who took the money that I just kept this one?
I'm not your bank now, Mama.
Come here. Come.
Mama, I'm not with your money now.
If I slap your face.
Mama, I'm not with your money. Stop. Mom, but this is not your money now.
Hey, Bube, what have I done to you? Instead of you to be working and be giving your mother the little one that I save in my pocket, you will not go there and collect it. Can't even collect it. You will still be lying, Bube. Huh? Stop lying. This is it. Hey!
I took it. I did not steal it, Ma. I did not steal it.
How can you be stealing? What is this? Okwari.
No, I did not steal it. I did not steal it now. I took it.
Chief. Okwari.
What you so that you will. Oh yeah.
What is it?
I've been admitted into the university.
Thank you, Jesus. So God has finally smiled on us.
Yes.
On this family.
What is going on here?
Hey, Antioma. I've been admitted into the university.
And so? What is my business? Yeah, Oporoko. Your mates are in their husband's house. And you're here wallowing in your father's house. Do you want to die in your father's house? Akada.
Is it your business?
Hey! Aleka! Obajie! Nekwe! Oporoko! Look at her. Stupid girl. Nonsense. Dimoma, come let me go and give you this thing. I know you will like it.
What you so that you will. Oh yeah. What you so that you will.
Just help me give my sister injection, please.
See, young girl, I have told you. I've helped you enough. Just go get this 300 naira balance and I will treat your sister for you.
I will get it, but just give her the injection, please. My sister is dying.
See, I have helped you enough. I helped you. See, I have so many things to attend to now. Please, just go. Just go.
Sonia is dying.
Of what?
Anyone please help me. We're okay, that's it, please. I just need 300 naira, please, I beg you. Help me save my younger sister, she's all I've got, please.
300? Do you want me to steal? Where do you want me to get it from?
I know you have the money, but please just give me. Please, I beg you.
1, 2, 3. 300 naira. I don't have wow. Get out! Your sister should go and die. 300 naira. Did you give me 300 naira to give? 1, 2, 3, 300.
This girl is sick, eh? What's going on?
Brother, please, just give her the injection. I promise, I swear, I'll pay you the 300, please. I couldn't find the money.
No, girl, go get this 300. There's nothing I can see. Even though you talk for night tomorrow, I cannot still help you.
Please, sir. I cannot lose my sister, please.
Just look at this girl. This girl she's dead, though.
Tonya, open your eyes. She's not breathing. No! Tonya! You caused all this! I beg you to help me save my sister! I beg you to help me save her! No, look, you killed her! Tonya, please get up! Tonya! You can't go! Tonya, look, it's me, your sister! You need to open your eyes! Tonya, open your eyes! Open your eyes! Daddy, why? Why did you let Tonya die? Why, Daddy? You know she's all I've got. Why did you let her die now? Why? An ordinary nail pierced her leg. And I couldn't save her. I'm a worthless sister. I'm not a good sister, Tonya. Please forgive me.
What are you doing here? Cynthia, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be selling pure water out there and bringing back the money to me. You're here bringing back Tonya. Am I not talking to you? I don't understand. We have quarrels.
Uka, so you are this heartless because of 300 naira. Ordinary 300 naira. You allow that innocent child to die.
Don't woman, this is my profession I'm talking about.
Whose fault? Mine? You know what? I just feel like choking you to death.
The young girl to get the balance of 300 naira.
And where do you expect her to get 300 naira from, Uka? I just feel like choking you.
See, Chika, this is not my fault here.
Which fault?
This is not my fault here. But it's so unfortunate the poor girl died.
You are just wicked, that is it. Chika, you don't have anything to say.
See, you just have to understand. I sympathize with her anyway. I could not help it.
You sympathize with her. It's okay. You can go. At least the child is dead now.
Just unfortunate.
I don't know, Sabe.
Just unfortunate.
With me. I don't know if I'm running mad. I can't enter our house. I can't do anything, honey. What is wrong with me, honey? Look at your wife. I'm even on barefoot. I don't know what is going on.
Very sorry. But everything is fine now. Don't go back to the village house again. Go back to the city. Cynthia will join you soon. I'm sorry. Tonya is dead. No.
Ihe onye ga-emeda m